Too Crazy AI brings you today's curated AI industry news. Meta releases Omnilingual ASR, supporting 1,600+ languages with character error rates below 10% for 78% of languages. First-time AI transcription for 500 low-resource languages. Let's dive into today's developments. Meta's fundamental AI research team today released Omnilingual ASR, the most linguistically comprehensive automatic speech recognition system to date. It can transcribe over 1,600 languages, including 500 previously untouched by AI. At its core is a Wave-to-Vec 2.0 model scaled to 7 billion parameters, achieving character error rates below 10% for 78% of languages. Even more exciting is the Bring Your Own Language feature. Add new languages with just a few audio samples, theoretically extending support to 5,400+ languages. The entire model suite, from 300M mobile to 7B high-performance versions, is open-sourced under Apache 2.0 license, ensuring even the most marginalized language communities can access high-quality speech recognition. OpenAI today announced significant group collaboration features for ChatGPT. Teams can now share workspaces through the Projects function, enabling multiple members to interact with AI in the same project, jointly adding files, setting instructions, and brainstorming around shared goals. Even more interesting is the @mention feature. You can reference multiple specialized GPT assistants in a single conversation to work together. For example, @Data Analysis GPT processes data, while @Copywriting GPT drafts reports, and @Design GPT provides visual suggestions. This marks ChatGPT's important transition from personal productivity tool to collaborative platform. Google and Kaggle today announced the launch of a 5-day AI Agents Intensive course, running November 10 to 14. Designed by Google AI researchers and engineers, the course covers the complete agent development path, from architecture design, tool integration, memory systems, to quality assessment and production deployment. Supporting resources are exceptionally rich. Daily white papers explain core concepts, hands-on code labs provide practical exercises, and Discord and YouTube support real-time discussions. Based on Google's Agent Development Kit, the course teaches building skills from simple agents to complex multi-agent systems. Completing the capstone project offers opportunities to win prizes and be featured on Google and Kaggle's official channels. Elon Musk's xAI today announced a 24-hour hardcore hackathon scheduled for December 6 to 7 in the San Francisco Bay Area. The biggest highlight is that participants will gain exclusive early access to new Grok models and X platform APIs not yet released to the public. xAI positions this event as the ultimate arena for the most hardcore product builders, providing sleeping bags, energy drinks, and complete facilities. Top 3 participants receive exclusive awards, and top 5 teams are featured on the X platform. Applications close November 22 with rolling review. This reflects intense LLM market competition, attracting developer communities through early access. Eddie Hsu today open-sourced Egocentric 10K on Hugging Face, the largest first-person perspective dataset in history. The scale is staggering: 10,000 hours of video, 1.08 billion frames, collected by 2,153 real factory workers across 85 factory environments, totaling 16.4 terabytes of data. This is the first Egocentric dataset collected entirely in real factory settings. Compared to previous in-the-wild datasets, it achieves SOTA performance in 2 critical metrics: hand visibility and active manipulation density. With 1920 by 1080 resolution, 30 FPS, and 128-degree FOV, quality is exceptional. Fully open-sourced under Apache 2.0 license, it's hugely significant for robotics, AR/VR, and embodied AI research, marking the arrival of the robotics data scaling era. Here's today's craziest question. Meta claims to bring AI speech recognition to 500 marginalized languages, theoretically extendable to 5,400+ languages. But in real scenarios, do these communities have sufficient computing power and technical capacity to use it? Or is this more of a PR move showcasing technical prowess? What's your take? See you in the comments. Too crazy AI. Stay crazy tomorrow.